Today we're crossing the Strait of Messina from the sun-kissed shores of Reggio Calabria to the heart of Sicily. But this isn't just a ferry ride, it's the beginning of a delicious adventure. Hop aboard as we glide across the Mediterranean, soaking in the views of the Calabrian hills and Sicilian coastline. In just 30 minutes, we arrive in Messina, a city rich in history, charm, and culinary traditions. Before we roll up our sleeves in the kitchen, we take a stroll through Messina's vibrant streets. From Baroque churches to bustling piazzas, every corner tells a story. And now, the real magic begins. We're welcomed into the home of a local architect by day and a cooking coach by night, ready to teach us the secrets of Sicilian pasta making.
First operation in the dough pasta is to do the hole inside like this, like a volcano. 2 eggs each. Take the egg and put inside. With this kind of movement, take the flour from abroad and catch the flour.
First up, Orecchiette, the little ears of pasta from southern Italy. Then we craft delicate half-moon raviolis filled with fresh ricotta and herbs. It's hands-on, messy, and absolutely joyful. Cooking with locals isn't just about technique, it's about connection. Stories are shared, traditions passed down, and flavors come to life.
And then from the middle to every kind of side.
Very much. I need some for my production.
Feeling good?
Feeling good. No.
work, Dad.
I think so.
Always start from the outside.
I mean, I'm learning
Happy
so much.
birthday.
We end the night the Sicilian way, gathered around the table, sipping wine and savoring every bite of what we made together. As always, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more travel and adventure content with Love Happy Adventure. And as always, keep exploring and creating your happy place.